Today we're diving into the world of aquatic plant care with Seachem Flourish Excel, a bioavailable organic carbon source designed to enhance the health and growth of your aquatic plants. This remarkable product not only provides essential carbon, which all plants need, but also boasts iron-reducing properties that promote the more plant-friendly ferrous state of iron, making it easier for your plants to absorb and utilize. By using Flourish Excel, you can bypass the complex process of photosynthetic intermediate production, introducing structurally similar compounds directly to your plants, which can significantly boost their growth and vitality. For optimal results, start with 1 capful for every 40 liters or 10 US gallons on initial use or after a major water change, then continue with 1 capful for every 200 liters or 50 US gallons, daily or every other day. If you're working with smaller doses, remember that each cap thread equals about 1 milliliter, making it easy to measure precisely. While Flourish Excel is completely safe for fish, it's important to note that if you have anacharis in your aquarium, it's best to use this product every other day to avoid any potential issues. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.